At the topic, information systems, the foundation and concepts. Now, what is an information system? An information system is defined as a set of interconnected components or interrelated components that collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making, to support coordination, to support control and analysis in an organization. It's more than just technology. It encompasses people, processes, and data working together. Essentially, it is how organizations manage and uses its information. Now, what are the key concepts around information systems? We have the data, information, as well as knowledge. Now, the data includes raw, that is, unorganized facts and figures. Information refers to data that has been processed and organized in order to provide meaning and context. For example, we could talk about total sales, revenue for each product, or even trends in sales, etc. Then we have knowledge, that is the understanding and interpretation of information, enabling informed decision making. Those are some of the key components of an information systems. Now let's look at the other components. So every information system, from the simplest to the most complex, relies on the interplay of these 5 fundamental components. Number 1, we have the hardware. Now, hardware represents the physical, tangible elements of an information system. It's the infrastructure upon which everything else is built. Consider these categories. Under hardware: input devices. This allows users to enter data into the system. Examples include the keyboards, mice, scanners, barcode readers, touch screens, and microphones. The quality of input directly impacts the quality of the information generated. Processing units. This is the brain of the system. The central processing unit, CPU, executes instructions and performs calculations. Other processing components include graphic processing units for visual data. Now, performance here is key to system speed and responsiveness. We also have storage devices. This holds data and programs. Examples include hard drives, solid-state drives, USB flash drives, and optical disks. The storage capacity, speed, and reliability are vital considerations. Then we have output devices. These display or present processed information to users. Examples include monitors, printers, speakers, and projectors. Now, the clarity and format of outputs are important for user understanding. We also have networking equipments as part of hardware. These components enable communication and data sharing between different parts of the system or with other systems. Examples include routers, switches, modems, and cables. Network speed and security are crucial, especially in distributed systems. Then we have servers as part of the hardware. Now, servers are powerful computers that provide services and resources to other computers on a network. They often host databases, applications, or websites. Servers' reliability and performance are essential for many organizations. Now let's look at the second component of the information system, which is the software. Softwares comprise the programs and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. It's the intelligence that drives the system. Key categories include: number one, the operating system. This is the foundation software that does the management of hardware and provides a platform for other programs to run. Examples include Windows, Macintosh operating system, Linux, and mobile operating systems like Android, etc. The operating system is crucial for system stability and resource management. Secondly, we have the application software. These are programs designed for specific tasks, such as word processing, spreadsheets, database management, enterprise resource planning systems, customer relationship management systems, and games. Application software directly serves user needs. The third area is database management systems under software. These are software for creating, managing, accessing databases, etc. A database management system ensures data integrity, data security, and efficient retrieval. Examples include Oracle, SQL Server, and MySQL. Data is only available if it can be effectively managed. Then we have programming languages. These are tools used by developers to create software. Examples include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. The choice of programming language influences development efficiency and software capability. Finally, we have the middleware. This is a software that connects different applications or systems, enabling them to communicate and exchange data. This is important in complex and integrated environments. Now let's look at the third component, data. Now, data represents raw facts, figures, and symbols that the information system collects, stores, and processes. It's the raw material that's transformed into useful information. The key aspects include data types, which can be numeric, textual, images, audio, video, or other formats. The type of data influences how it's stored and processed. The second aspect of data is the data sources. This can be from internal sources, e.g. sales transactions, employee records, or external sources like market research, social media, etc. Data quality depends on the reliability of the source. We also have data storage. This is how data is organized and stored for efficient access and retrieval. Databases, data warehouses, and data lakes are common storage mechanisms. We also have data management. This encompasses all aspects of handling data, which includes data entry, validation, storage, retrieval, security, and quality control. Effective data management is essential for generating accurate and reliable information. The fourth component is people. That is the human element. People are individuals who interact with the information system. They are the most crucial component, as even the best hardware and software are useless without skilled and knowledgeable people to use them. The key roles include the users. These are individuals who use the system to perform tasks or access information. Developers, who are individuals who design, build, and maintain the software. Managers, these are individuals who plan, organize, and control the use of information system. Support staff, these are individuals who provide technical assistance to users. And data analysts, these are individuals who analyze data to extract meaningful insights and support decision making. The fifth component is the process. That is the defined workflow. Now, the process are the established procedures and workflows that define how data is collected, processed, and used within the information system. They are the steps involved in using the information system to achieve business objectives. Key considerations include the business process, the data flow diagrams, the workflows, and the standard operating procedures. The interplay of these 5 components is what makes an information system effective. A weakness in any of the components can negatively impact the entire system. Therefore, understanding these components is fundamental to building, using, and managing information systems successfully. Now let's look at the types of information systems. Information systems can be categorized based on their primary purpose and the organizational level they serve. This helps us understand their significant and specific functions and how they contribute to overall organizational success. The first category is the Transaction Processing System, TPS. TPS are the backbone of many organizations, handling the high volume of routine, day-to-day transactions. These transactions are the fundamental activities of the business. Now, the purpose is to efficiently and accurately process large volumes of repetitive transactions. At the organizational level, they are at the operation level. The key characteristics include the speed, accuracy, reliability, and high volume processing. Examples include point-of-sale systems, payroll systems, order processing systems, airline reservation systems, and banking systems. The second category is the management information systems. MIS takes the data generated by TPS and turn it into information that managers can use for planning, controlling, and decision making. The purpose is to provide managers with structured information in the form of reports and summaries. At the organizational level, the MIS is found at the tactical level, that is middle management. The key characteristics include internal focus, structured information, regular reports, and support for routine decision making. Examples include sales reports, which summarize sales performance by product, region, or salesperson. Another example is the inventory management reports, which track inventory levels, identifying slow-moving items, and focus demand. Third example is the budgeting reports, which compare actual spending against budgeted amounts. And finally, the performance reports, which track key performance indicators and identify areas for improvement. Number 3, we have the decision support systems category. Now, the DSS go beyond simple reporting and provide tools for analysis and modeling to support complex and non-routine decisions. The purpose is to help managers make better decisions by providing analytical capabilities of what-if scenarios. At the organizational level, the DSS is found at the tactical and strategic levels. That's the middle and upper management level. The key characteristics include analytical tools, what-if analysis, and data from internal and external sources, and support for unstructured decision making. Those are the key characteristics of the DSS. Examples include financial modeling, marketing analysis, production planning, as well as risk management. The fourth type of information system is the executive information system, which provides a strategic overview. The EIS provides top-level executives with a high-level view of the organization's performance, focusing on strategic information and external trends. The purpose is to provide executives with quick access to critical information for strategic planning and decision-making. The EIS is found at the strategic level, that is top management, and the key characteristics include summarized information, dashboards and visualization, external focus, and support for strategic decision making. Examples include executive dashboards, which display key performance indicators such as revenue, profitability, and market share. Industry analysis, which provide information on industry trends, competitor activity, and market opportunities. Another example is the financial performance reports, which summarizes the organizational financial performance, and strategic planning tools, which support the development of long-term strategic plans. Now let's look at the evolution of information systems. Information systems have evolved significantly over time, driven by the technological advancements and changing business needs. We have early automation, that's 1950s to 1960s, which focus on automating routine tasks such as payroll and accounting using mainframe computers. Then we moved to management information systems, that is 1970s to 1980s. These were the development of MIS to provide managers with information for decision making began. Then we have 1980s to 1990s, where we found the proliferation of personal computers and the rise of networking, leading to decentralized computing. Then the 1990s to the year 2000s, here we have the internet and e-commerce, where the internet revolutionized information sharing and enabled e-commerce. Then from the year 2000 to present, where we have the mobile and cloud computing. Now the mobile devices and cloud computing have transformed how we access and use information. We have big data and analytics as major trends. Now, what's the value of information systems to organizations? Information systems provide significant value to organizations in various ways. Number one, increased efficiency and productivity, improved decision making, enhanced communication and collaboration, competitive advantage, improved customer service, cost reduction, and new business opportunities. Now let's look at each one of these in details. In terms of increased efficiency and productivity, automation of processes leads to improved efficiency and productivity in organizations. In terms of improved decision making, access to timely and accurate information enables better decision making in organizations. When it comes to enhanced communication and collaboration, we find that information systems facilitate communication and collaboration within and across organizations. When it comes to competitive advantage, the effective use of information system can provide a competitive edge by enabling innovation and better customer care. When it comes to improved customer service, information systems can help organizations better understand and serve their customers. In terms of cost reduction, the streamlining process and reducing errors can lead to cost savings within organizations. And finally, information system can enable organizations to create new products, services, and business models. Thank you.